all of the people, I'm like me say, we are hate Spice. As much as you don't hate, you can't stop it, bro. You can't undo a Spice to dog. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. So you better not just leave Spice alone. Sometimes, if you don't have nothing good to say, keep on the mouth shut, dog.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today, guys, today with Spice with Sitt'n for chat. Yes. Spice with Sitt'n for chat. So Spice are going to something more for chat. Hope so. Call me there. I'm in love with fuckery. Let's go. Big up yourself, Mama Spice, Queen of Dancehall. Big up yourself. Ninja Man returns, 1999. Okay.
Me, Gracie, always I go get.
What I read my name? On a sling thing. What I read my name? What I read my name, guys? I forgot.
Me, Gracie,
Another answer.
always I go get them sitting for chat. 25 years ago when Ninja Man called me upon the stage, me lyrically bad from then until now. I that myself I don't talk. I'm here the reigning queen of dancehall.
25 years
I'm
on it.
Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man and all my dancehall fans. Please stand up and tell them I'm Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man.
Yo. Spice, no. Spice has mastered her craft, bro. Spice is a production queen. From stage shows to the music video where Spice has dropped on the album. Oh my God. Spice, man. Big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, mama. Oh, buckler.
Me, Gracie, always I go get them sitting for
Jack
chat.
Sour,
25 years ago
video,
when
man. Big up
Ninja Man
yourself,
called
Jack
me upon
Sour.
the stage, me lyrically bad from then until now. I that myself I don't talk. I'm here the reigning queen of dancehall.
Anyway, I'm Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man and all my dancehall fans. Please stand up and tell them I'm Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man.
Watch it TV, you know? A sharp, you know? Oh, remember them TV, yeah? Big back pregnant TV? How far technology I come from, no?
Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man. What's your problem, mate? Me can't two of my artists them with me tonight. Where mad one when you Spice them?
Bumbo clad. Mama, go to the archive. Go in the archive.
Yeah, hear me? Find rhythm where bad man like it.
Bumbo clad. I know Spice not still. Spice because of herself. But we know we are trying to still. Yo. Spice. Let's go.
Honestly, say a girl mad door. All right, show them how you're mad. Redeem.
See Spice, I know up on the video.
Well, here come the lyrical thing called straight from the queen of the dancehall.
That girl I feel what Spice does. Spice, because myself, like me say, mama, you are a true queen, mama. No care what the pussy say. None.
You know Spice up on the mic, I'm here chatting to the tight pussy girl them. What the clean old girl them say?
Jerry, big up.
But them no, but like a me, give me the mic and make me chat it. Girl like a me when me ride the rhythm, me whop it. Select a place, pull up that junior when you drop it. Girls, my breast them stiff and my boom boom fat. Tina short, she cock up round about. This ya one ya fi the gal dem. All of the good pussy gal dem. Spice na the place, make the dance get hot. Shaggy pass me the mic, me a
2010 ramping shop.
This ya one ya fi the man dem. All of me big cocky man dem. Me no walk in a gang, me no pour in a cool, me no mix, me no click. Some of them a drop them.
This are the ramping shop remake scene. With she and the teacher.
Me no walk in a gang, me no pour in a cool, me no mix, me no click. Some of them a drop them liquor song, but none of them a it. Them a fade out quick. Me a make them sick. Them a say the younger thing, me DJ about a diggy. But me full up on lyrics, and on the mic me ever feature. It us in
Yo. You can't take nothing from Spice, you know? All the soon now bumbo clad chat up on the mouth, dog. All the Spice haters, them, brother. You can't undo what Spice done do already. Spice done it, bro. Spice done it. And for that, in a male-driven, a male-led industry like dancehall as a female Spice and do it for 25 years and still relevant? Come on, bro. Yeah, like, take less energy if you just be happy with Spice. You take more energy hating, bro, honestly. No joke. I've got to say it.
Me, Gracie, always I go give them sitting for chat.
I've
25
gotta
years
say
ago
it.
when Ninja Man called me upon the stage.
25. Most of you we are 8 Spice are not even 25. Most of you we are 8 Spice right now is not even fucking 25 years old. The Spice I do this from before no found yet as born. History.
Until now.
History.
I'm done talk. I'm here the reigning queen of dancer.
History.
Anyway, I'm Benjamin and I'm the real
Please stand up and me say I'm Ninja Man and I'm the real Ninja Man.
What's your problem, mate?
Yeah.
Me carry two of my artists them with me tonight. Where mad one on the Spice them. But this man. No, turn up on that. Yeah, hear me? Find rhythm where bad man like it.
Archive, mama.
Wanna see a girl mad though?
Yeah, man.
Alright, show them how you're mad. Redeem.
Well, here come the lyrical thing call. Straight from the queen of the dance hall. You know, Spice up on the mic, I'm here chatting to the tight pussy girl them. What the clean old girl them there? What do you hear this? But them no, but like a give me. The mic can make me chat it. Girl like a me when me ride the rhythm, me whop it. Select a place, pull up. That junior when you chop it.
Old school.
Pass me the mic, me a sing ten for chat. This ya one ya for the man dem. All of me big cocky man dem. Me no walk in a gang, me no pour in a crew, me no mix, me no click. Some of them a drop them liquor song, but none of them a it. Them a fade out quick. Me a make them sick. Them a say the younger thing, me DJ about a diggy. But me full up on lyrics and on the mic, me ever feature. It touch them a top a wall.
Something like it. 2014.
Before I saw me like it. Make the girl them walk out and say this. My breast them stiff and my bum fat. What in a shot, tick up a brown up. This ya one ya for the girl them. All of the good pussy girl them. Spice na the place, make the dance get hot. Shaggy pass me the mic, me a sing ten for
Big up
chat.
Shaggy.
This ya one ya for the man them. All of me big cocky man them. Me a DJ for the hot girl them. When I have no man problem. After you drop them, then you forgot them, you don't look on them again. No man can give on anytime him come run him, make him go. For if he done money if he run, that me a say. The girl them fear walk out, confident from you. Get it from you, one no need nobody strength. Spice me the woman dance all president. When me ready, me get indecent. My breast them stiff and my bum fat. Back in a shot, tick up a brown up. This ya one ya for the girl them. All of the good pussy girl them. Spice na the place, make the dance get hot. Shaggy pass me the mic, me a sing ten for chat. This ya one ya for the man them. All of me big cocky man them.
Class. Old school. Old school. Rubber dub style. You mean Spice? Kemar, big up. Yo. Game over. Yo. Jay will big up yourself. Yo, what can I say, dog? Like, yo, Spice is so fucking creative, bro. Like, it's not even a joke anymore. Like, all of the people, I'm like me say, we are hate Spice. As much as you don't hate, you can't stop it, bro. You can't undo a Spice to dog. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. So you better not just leave Spice alone. Sometimes, if you don't have nothing good to say, keep on the mouth shut, dog. Keep on the mouth shut, brother. Spice done it for 25 years. You know how much work that? You know how much work she put in that blood clot? You think the laziest man could have done that? Eh? You think say a lazy somebody could have done that? A lazy artist could have done that? Look how much artists, within 25 years, look how much artists rise and fall and you never hear nothing about them again. Both female and male. Look how much of them. Just look how much of them. Alright, fuck 25 years. Within 5 years, look how much of them rise. Within 10 years, look how much of them rise and fall and you never hear nothing about them again. One song, some of them even get one. Even 5 years ago, look how much. And Spice still there do it. And still there 8 Spice. You know why not found 8 Spice? Because Spice doesn't have the high complexion where on worship. The high complexion. Yeah, me I say it. Me don't give a fuck. Spice don't have the high on a class Spice as the black girl. Yes, they like a black girl. No. Spice a queen of this bumbo cloth here. Spice a dancehall queen. Whether you like it or not, Spice a dancehall queen. Yes. Big up all who was before her. But Spice are the queen now. Yes. Ladies are left it and gone to the church. Big up ladies, sir.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.